This video abstract deals with our work entitled Multidisciplinary Approach to Cylindrical Anisotropic Metamaterials. During the last decade, a huge research effort has concentrated on the possibility of controlling wave propagation phenomena based on the use of microstructure devices, usually termed as metamaterials. This broad area of research covers aspects from theory to fabrication techniques and even different application fields like acoustics or electromagnetism. One of the core targets of this effort is related to the control of wave propagation. Towards this goal, a number of unusual phenomena have been investigated, which in principle cannot be achieved with natural materials, such as negative refraction, super-resolution focusing, or even cloaking. On the foundations of this field, the use of artificial microstructures made of small elements or inclusions is satisfied when we compare them with the operation wavelengths. The microstructure, rather than the chemical composition of the units, defines the behavior of the whole device. Additionally, one of the characteristics in the background of some interesting phenomena is wave propagation anisotropy. Anisotropy has been largely investigated both in acoustics and electromagnetism, and is a key element for a number of potential applications like wave routing or cloaking. Both disciplines, acoustics and electromagnetism, are governed by different wave propagation equations that respectively describe sound pressure and electric field distributions. Constitutive material parameters that allow the solutions of these problems are, on the one hand, mass density and bulk modulus, and on the other hand, permittivity and permeability functions. Equivalencies have been already pointed out between both fields, taking into account that the sound problem is a scalar one, whereas the light problem is a vector one. In this context, corrugated microstructures are a direct link between both areas, since they have been analyzed from each point of view for a long time. Nevertheless, previous works did not focus specifically on the study of long wavelength regime and homogenization issues on this type of media. It has not been common also to study these microstructure media simultaneously from both application fields. In our paper, we report a direct and comparative approach to periodic corrugated structures with cylindrical symmetry from both application fields. Several sample structures are analyzed, as you see it here, to obtain a double acoustic and electromagnetic anisotropic response in terms of wave propagation. This study reveals that there are similarities and differences between both wave problems, with the common feature of generating anisotropic propagation media. Experiments have been performed with the samples measured in two separate test beds, an acoustic one and an electromagnetic one. This is possible due to the fact that actually operation wavelengths are completely equivalent in both experiments. We have obtained the resonance spectra for the closed cavities. In turn, the resonant frequencies showed here, although the retrieval of the propagation parameters related to the unbounded media. Major differences occur in the results concerning the closed resonant cavities, but identical behaviors can be observed in the case of unbounded media, in particular for parameters describing the propagation anisotropy. We believe that these studies bring light to the problems involved in both acoustics and electromagnetic waves, and also we anticipate the design of devices based on integrated and tailored responses to both types of waves.